Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another car stance video. All right, this is called Deakin's Blacked Out S3, okay, JMR 4K video. All right, now before we get started, guys, like always, I just want to say thank you so much for always liking, commenting, subscribing. Okay, a lot of us are going up. I really do love and appreciate every single one of you guys, and let's check this out. Okay, so S3, so this is a Audi, right? It's another Audi. Man, the Audis are really nice though. They're really nice. But the maintenance on them, oh, you need to have money to deal with the maintenance on these bad boys. And black on black, like my car is black on black and it's sexy. So black on black, yeah, hell yeah. This looks nice. Oh, it's a RS3, not just a S3. It's a Kotaro. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh, it was two of them. I thought it was just one. That's clean, man. With the underglow lights, yeah, that's nice. You could hear like the fucking blow off valves and the exhaust and the turbo in that car. Jesus. Jeremy videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching, man. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll definitely see you on the next one. All right, peace.